Sorry, friends. I clicked a wrong button to stop the video. Sorry, I didn't mean that. So I was telling about if you want to see my sand cakes, I made them. I'll show you. Come on, come here.
You can't do going downstairs. Okay.
I'm not going downstairs. Ouch! That hurts. Sorry. Look at my. Excuse it. Oh, sorry, I break them. Sorry. Look at that still. Look. The whole world. Vlog. See? There's a man cycling all the way. Oh, look at the birds. Wow. Those are having fun. And that goat is grazing on feet. Where's the chicks? Okay. We're going and let's. Ouch! Ouch! My! Ouch! That hurts. Okay. Max means the music where we go to Upper Salad and also do.
Arabic there.
I also read Arabic there. I go on the evening.
And you say Imam also loves me very much.
My mom also loves me very much,
and he gives me daily lesson.
but my mom loves me very much, but sometimes I do naughty things and upset my mom. That's why my mom kind of gets angry.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes,
Not always.
yeah, not always. That happens, and so I'll read Arabic later, and I have to also read and when we're done plucking and selling, we'll. Ma, तुम माता ही ना लगता.
Yeah, no, don't speak in Bangladesh. Okay? You are making video. Yeah, tell us.
And then and I'll have to read, and when we're done, we'll so many sun polyps. So when we cannot eat them. We cannot eat them a lot, so we'll sell them, and then when we are done selling and also eating, I'm kind of also hungry, so I'll eat and sell the sun polyps, and also when I'm done, I'll sure to make another video today. I will make a video of patterns, yeah. You know that when I was sleeping, when I was going to bed, I made a pattern video, kind of funny pattern video, and I was too bored that time, that's why, and I'll make a fun also a learning pattern video, guys, and I'll see you, but I'll not click the video now. Okay? Vloggy? Good. So look at my mom doing some Simplolips. As my dad is searching for Simplolips. You see me all the time. Get my hair kind of crazy. Ah, yeah. The garden. Oh, I love it. The video. Do you like our videos, Vloggy? good. Daddy,
What is it?
I ask you that
What?
I make video and
And what?
and
Tell me. What?
everyone loves my video.
Yeah, everybody loves your video so much.
Okay, vlog, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, I believe you. Good vlogging. No, yeah, I'll watch you. Good. Yum yum nom nom nom. That's vloggy, vloggy, vloggy. I love you, lovely vlog, lovely vlog, lovely vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye. Stop.
বন্ধ করে দিন। বন্ধ করে দিচ্ছেন?